Good day, everyone. I am Wendell Bravo Balbucina Jr., third year BS in Filipinos. So this is my response with a question about the question that how does a very low budget allocation in education affect the curriculum and the entire educational system of the country? In my opinion, low foundation in our education are very alarming because cutting the budget off can cause problems to the teacher and also to the students. The resources of the materials for the students will be minimized, causing limited learning for students. In order to continue the education for the student, the people in charge of the school will have no choice but to improvise just to keep up and won't stop the education of the student needed. But I can really say that cutting budget from education is a no-brainer move. Why? Because for the reason that the education is the stepping stone for the children to grow and be functional in a society. Addendum, cutting the budget for the education undermines the foundation of a society's future. Education is not just about teaching facts, it's about nurturing critical thinking, creativity, and the adaptability to adapt in a rapidly changing world. When schools are underfunded, it's not just the physical materials like books and equipments that are lacking. Teachers become overwhelmed with the larger class sizes, insufficient support, and burnt out. This inevitably affects the quality of teaching. Furthermore, underfunded education systems create disparities. Wealthier families can afford to compensate through private tutoring or better equipped school, while students from the lower income background suffer the most. This widens the gap in social mobility and perpetuate inequality. Education is also directly linked to economic growth. Countries with well-funded education system tend to have stronger economies because they produce a more skilled, innovative, and adaptable workforce. By cutting education budgets, governments are not only harming the immediate quality of learnings but also jeopardizing the long-term national prosperity. Lastly, education is essential for fostering an informed and engaged citizenry. Without a strong education system, we risk creating generation of individuals who are less equipped to the critical about important social issues, making them more vulnerable to misinformation and manipulation. In short, cutting the budget isn't just a short-term financial decision. It has a long-term repercussion on social equity, economic progress, and democracy itself. So that's my answer with with the question on the low budget or cutting budget of the curriculum.